Okay, welcome, Jebel Ali. Now, you should have logged on and you should see your name just here, okay? And we're going to be working on here. We're going to go onto our levels. And it's divided into different sections, as you can see. You've got levels 1 to 12, getting started, 13 to 18, shortest route, and they get gradually, I'd say, more difficult as you go through the different levels, and you will learn different computing concepts as you go. Okay, so first we're going to click on the arrow here, and you'll see under Getting Started we have 12 tasks to complete to finish this level. Okay, so the very first one we're going to click on is number 1, of course. So we click on here, and this will take you to the first programming challenge. Now, what you have to do is in this one, can you help the van get to the house? Choose the right blocks to tell the van where to go. Drag the blocks under the start block to attach them. To remove a block, drag it into the bin at the bottom right of the screen. When you are happy with the sequence, press the arrow. So let's have a go. So I'm going to click on play, and I'll let you just introduce you to the block area here. These are the different blocks you can use that you'll be finding here. You've got the clear button. I'll show you these in a little while. You've got the block area here. You always have the start block, and you're going to connect blocks to the start block to enable your van to do its delivery. So you're getting your van to go into this red area here. So at the moment, we've only got one block, and that's the move forward block. So if I drag that and drop it, you'll see that it drops onto the block area here. Now you can join it to your start block. And now, if I was to press the start button, which is down here, my van would move I'd say one block, one square. Okay. Now, if I don't want that block, I can drag and drop it into the bin. Now, I do want that block. I can drag it back here. If I want to remove all the blocks here, I can click on clear, and that will remove every single block you've placed on here. So let's try. So I'm going to put my move forward block, and I'm going to press play. And there's the play button. So when I press that, my van moves forward, and it gives me it gives me two scores. It gives me route score, so how fast I completed that section, and the algorithm score. And that's basically the less the amount of instructions, the better to solve your problems. Okay, so let's try. Let's go to the next level. So once you've completed, you go to the next level. Okay, now you'll see that you get a different challenge. This time, a block can be placed next to or under another, like a jigsaw. A second move forwards block can be placed under the first move forwards block. So, okay, let's have a look at that. So I press play, and you'll see I've still only got one move forward, but I can drag one. Now you can move these around like that to put it in the center. Now you'll see I've got another one here, so I need 1, 2, and 3 blocks. So 1, 2, 3. Now you can break these apart. So I can break here, here, and here. Now I can join those there and put these here. And you see they're easy. So you can break them apart. You can add blocks in the middle here. It's entirely up to you. Now, also you can zoom out if you want to see a better view of your track, and you can use the plus sign to zoom in. Now, if you want, you can delete more than one block by dragging and dropping. Now I do want them. So I'm going to put my 3 blocks. Now there's something else you can do. You can do something called step. So instead of running your code in its entirety, all of it, you can step through your program. So I'll just show you this. So if I press step, there's my start. If I press again, it does my first move, my second move, and this is a way of kind of working through your program slowly. So I press step again, and you'll see that when I press my final step, I would have completed it perfectly. Okay, so click on next level. So that is a way of going through your program slowly. So now in level 3 here, so can you make your van turn right? Okay, so now I'm going to click on play. These are quite simple, but it's just going through the basics with you at the moment. So now we've got 2 blocks here, and here's my track. So I'm going forward, and you need to kind of put yourself in the position of the van. Am I going to go left here, All right. So remember the fan's going that way. So I'll need a forwards. And if you said right, you would be right. So I'm going to put my turn right. And now I'm going to play my game. And there you go. Perfect. So I got 10 out of 10 but for both my root score. So I went in the right direction and I used the exact right amount of instructions. Okay, now I'm going to just close that now. What you can do if you want to stop and come back a little bit later, or maybe you stop in the middle of an instruction. Okay, let me just complete that. I need to go to the next level. So I just need to run it again. So I'll go to the next level. Okay. So this is going to be the last level I do for a little while. You are getting good at this. Let's try turning left. So I'm going to click play on here. So imagine I've started. I've added a move forward and another move forward. And I'm going to go and have my tea. Okay, then I'm going to come back and try later. So I can save my progress. So if you click on save, and this is level 4, isn't it? So if I type in here, level level 4 and click save. That will save my progress. So for the next time, when I log back on, all I need to do is click here on load and click on here, load, and you'll see there's my level 4 and I just click on load and that will take me back to the position I was in the middle of this algorithm. Okay, I hope this helps. So work through the tasks in level 1 and I wish you the best of luck in solving those problems in Rapid Router. Take care and I will see you soon.